What a beautiful mess. Yes, our lives are not always perfect. And if you tend to fall within one of the temperaments, it could possibly mean that you believe something about yourself. The truth is that we are all beautiful messes. And when you can take that character and those traits and build out your emotional states, it would be so much easier to understand yourself. And that's what these beautiful practices are for. Just to get a little color on the page that represents your mood and gives you a way to represent what you are going through on every specific day. Now, you can skip a couple of days, or you can just take on all the days consecutively. It's completely up to you how you want to finish and complete your little sketchbook. And when you have a day where the ideas are not flowing, just play with the colors and see what happens next. Now, I don't want to make this one all about me talking, so I'm going to select a little bit of music and then we can just paint together. Create what you need to create based on your emotions and feelings, and let things happen. Let the watercolor play and allow for those joyful, happy feelings to come into you while you are thinking about all the things you went through today. You are essentially processing your emotions so that you can place your feelings into this beautiful mess we all create throughout our lives. We are the links to our feelings, and when we use color in this way to explore, we also define the richness of our own characteristics, of our own human psychology. And through color exploration, you are going to discover yourself. We could also say these attributes help to map out the color associations and the combinations of elements that come along to teach us how our temperaments can live symbolically within us without ruling our lives. I like to think about it like this. If we could shine a little colorful light on the beautiful mess we create in our lives, then we can see all the little messy corners and the messy secrets and the messy things we try and hide from the world. But we can never try and hide those things from ourselves. They bubble up like layers that either keep us blocked, locked, or shut down. Whereas the light will help us show where those things live and how to deal with them. Not to brush them away mindlessly, but to really make sure we wash over those with the colors that make us unique, so that we can live with our imperfect blemishes and make our own lives unique. And if you can pick out tiny little memories throughout the day to keep you going, then releasing all the rest becomes so much easier. We don't have to make all the great choices of our lives today, but you can love yourself back to life. And when you've noticed this within yourself and how you are responsible for your own joy, then making smaller little adjustments is exactly what will get you to that next phase and maybe the next level on the ladder of your emotions, uplifting you so that you can feel what joy really feels like. Contrary to belief, joy isn't that ha 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 happy feeling. It's an inner contentment that you can gather along your life path and the journey you are taking with yourself. Have you noticed the golden threads are intertwined with some of our darkest moments? And because of those highlights of gold running through the darkness of our lives, we do have that proverbial silver lining around every dark cloud. And you can see that not every day is a day filled with one emotion, but that our emotions are full throughout the day. And that fullness helps us see little moments of joy. And those little moments of joy can help us love ourselves more.